Manufacturing operations leaders are under constant pressure to run their lines with higher efficiency, better quality, improved safety, and more automation across multiple plants and geographies. But as they add new digital capabilities to help, each one arrives as a separate system. Production control, quality inspection, predictive maintenance, safety monitoring, and analytics capabilities often require their own hardware, software, and teams to manage them at every site. Individually, these systems add value, but their separation into silos makes operations harder. Costs are higher, it is more difficult to launch initiatives quickly, and higher instability and downtime lead to lost throughput, missed orders, and margin pressure. Operations need real-time visibility into slipping performance, required maintenance, and growing bottlenecks before they impact production timelines. They need to roll out changes once and trust that they will behave the same way across every plant without putting production at risk or re-engineering lines. They also need to see beyond the plant wall and into the supply chain. Parts, subassemblies, and finished goods move between suppliers, plants, and customers in tightly timed flows. It becomes harder to see what is happening upstream and downstream to adjust production. This fragmented model is unsustainable. But there is another way. Wind River Private Cloud Suite gives each plant a single, unified private cloud platform at the edge where MES, data historians, quality inspection, predictive maintenance, safety monitoring, and AI workloads all run on a common, resilient foundation instead of a patchwork of separate servers. Manufacturers use real-time data and AI to anticipate delays, rebalance production, and protect just-in-time schedules before issues hit the line. Teams spend less time fighting infrastructure issues and more time increasing throughput, improving OEE, and rolling out new capabilities like visual inspection and AI optimization across lines. By consolidating IT and OT systems into a standardized plant-edge private cloud, they reduce hardware footprint and lower operational effort per plant. Reduced downtime, new capabilities rolled out in weeks instead of months, and every plant benefits from a consistent operational model, even when products, lines, or equipment differ. This is the intelligent manufacturing environment, unified, resilient, and built around keeping production running and improving every single day.